Hi, parents, guardians, tutors, older siblings, anyone who's helping my students with Math 7 this year. I just wanted to do a quick introduction video of why I've set up this site this year. So in the past couple years, I've gotten more requests from parents about how to teach certain topics that we're covering, not knowing exactly what we're covering each day in class. So I kind of wanted to make a site that was not connected to an fcpsschools.net, so you can use any of your Gmail accounts to access this website. And it's really for anyone who wants to see me explain how, the words I'm using during class with your children, and then maybe you can connect that when you're talking to them about it more. This is not for you to teach your children. So I am in charge of that. I am working on that. And if they are not getting it in class, I have no intention of you teaching them at home. This is really just for those parents who ask me questions about topics and just want to know more information. So this is not necessarily for everyone. This is for those of you that just want to see some more explanation, or maybe more practice activities, more websites that your children can go to practice any of the topics we're learning in class. So I really hope that this website is valuable to you, and that you find that it helps you engage in what your child is learning in math this year. As always, please email me or call me if you want to speak about your child's progress specifically, because I'm always ready to talk about that. So let me know your feedback on this website whenever you can too. I'm curious to see how useful it is. Thank you.